When it comes to repairing and strengthening concrete structures, carbon fiber reinforced polymer is one of the strongest man-made materials in the world. It is a proven solution to support, stabilize, and restore concrete in commercial and industrial buildings. At Universal Geotech Group, we offer permanent structural concrete repair and reinforcement solutions for commercial and industrial projects. Traditional methods can be heavy, invasive, and less effective. Our carbon fiber systems are strong, lightweight, and non-invasive, providing a smarter way to repair cracked concrete and restore deteriorated structures. Carbon fiber can strengthen almost any concrete component. It increases the load capacity of beams, columns, slabs, and walls. It reinforces cracked concrete, prevents water damage, and restores weakened structures for long-lasting concrete restoration. Our team of commercial and industrial concrete repair experts is trained to install these specialized systems for a variety of applications. From strengthening concrete floors and slabs to stabilizing CMU block walls, we provide solutions that meet the needs of your structural repair projects and civil infrastructure repairs. Contact Universal Geotech Group today to learn how our professional concrete crack repair and concrete strengthening services can help protect and extend the life of your building. For residential concrete repair and concrete leveling, visit our sister company, STL Polyjack, for the same innovative solutions tailored to homes throughout the St. Louis area.